Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be tackling the most asked question by people that apply for American Lottery yearly. So in this video, I'm going to show you a free option. I'm going to show you a way you can do this for free online. I know there are lots of websites and tools online that will tell you they are going to help you resize your photo to the acceptable size, but then after doing it, they'll tell you to pay $1 or $2. In this video, I'm going to show you a free option. So now, I think the required size for American passport picture is 2 by 2 inches or 51 by 51 millimeters, something like that. So let's hop on our Google search and then let's search this American Lottery picture size, and then you add free there. So this is the search result. This is what you're going to get. Now let's scroll down here. Just like I said, we want a free too. Most of these are paid options. So let's scroll down here and then we can see this. Look at this website extension. It's .state.government. So it's probably for the US Department of State. So let's tap on it. Good. So just like you can see here, it's for them, .state.government. So travel.state.government, US Department of State, Bureau and Consular Affairs. So now let's upload our passport picture here and then let's proceed. So I have a picture I'll be using here. This is a sample. So now I upload it here and you can see automatic crop. So they've cropped the picture automatically to the acceptable size. So now I'll just have to accept and then proceed. So I tap on accept and proceed. Now I'll have to just download the image here, and now let me open it here. You can see they've cropped it to the acceptable size. So now you can use this picture for your application. So that's it for the video. Kindly do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.